let's take a look at how to display formulas. In order to display formulas, we have to have some. So let me put some in this worksheet here. Sum, average, and standard deviation. Now notice that these numbers go from A2 to A6. There's lots of different ways you can do formulas. I shouldn't say lots, at least 3, 4. But if I do an equals sum, beginning parentheses, here's where I put in a range. So A2 colon A6. And that'll add everything between A2 to A6. If I do equals average and then A2 colon A6, this will find the average of those numbers. And standard deviation, and I'm going to choose sample standard deviation. And again, A2 to A6. Now let's say I want to see those formulas. Very simple way to display them. Make this a little bigger. Is you click this here, and you can see your formula up here in the formula bar. You can also, if you need to see it bigger because your eyes are bad like me, then you click up there, and now you can see it down here, and it's a lot bigger. But that only allows you to view one at a time, and perhaps you want to see more than that. If you do a control and then tilde. Now, if you have no clue what a tilde is, I'll type it here in a minute. But you see our formulas appear. If I do another control tilde, then I'll put it back. Control tilde. Tilde looks like that right there. In my keyboard, it's in the upper left-hand corner. Now, another way to show formulas is if you come up to the Formulas tab here. This is also where you can choose the formula you want to use from this option. Like I said, there's different ways of doing it. But over here under the formula auditing, there's a show formulas. Now this will automatically resize the column to fit the formula if necessary. These are already kind of big from our data up above. Clicking it again shuts it off. Remember, I already made this kind of bigger when I was playing with that in an earlier video. But that's how you can show formulas. And again, sometimes you need, if there's 20 formulas on there, you need to see the formulas all at once because you're trying to eyeball which one is wrong, perhaps. Now, one last thing to note, I'll do the control tilde here, is if you got regular data in your cells, it'll just appear like normal. If you got a formula, that's where it'll put that. Okay, another control tilde, shut that off. And that's how you display formulas.